What's up guys? I'm Mike, this is my t-shirt printers, let's do this. Okay, so today we've got some screen printing to do on some hoodies and some t-shirts. I think it's a 3-color, well it's a white underbase and 2 colors on top, 3-color. Then we've got some embroidery to do, just got to finish that off. We've got some posies to do to send off to a supplier. Where's the light? I'm really in bad lighting here. Let's get it. Alright, that's better. So we've got some posies to do, we've got to send them off to a supplier. There's something cool I want to explain there about when you're scaling down your artwork so it still prints out really well and doesn't get affected by dot gain. I'll explain it. Let's get those screens made, get the first job on the press, get this day going. Let's do this. To explain the black glove, if you're wondering, I managed to cut my finger with the blade last night. I really jabbed it and like almost went in one side and came out the other. It wasn't very nice, so I don't want to get anything in it. So that's why I'm wearing a black glove. I'm not a doctor person. So plaster, cream, glove, sorted. There was actually a pretty cool order I did this week, which was a white discharge print. Let me see if I can find it. This is one of the strike-offs right here. How awesome did that come out? There's nothing better than having a big print like this one over here and just being as soft as the garment itself. It's awesome. It came out really well. I wish I could have filmed this one, but it was a bit manic. It just couldn't happen. But I will make another episode on it, see how it's doing. We've still got some discharge up there. And that discharge, it's really awesome because once you mix it, it can last up to 6 months. In actual fact, I wanted to do a video, I think it was back in June, and I still got some discharge. So we'll try that discharging out and see if it actually still works. Okay, cool. So the 2 screens are ready there. I'm just going to be able to tape them up. I'm going to grab them. 2 seconds. Custom pen twiddle. I'll be back. Just got to get this one shirt out. I need it in a rush. Back to where we were. So taping up the screen. The other one's probably ready now. Get those screens taped up, get them on the press, align them, get that job printing. Makes it warmer in the workshop. Okay, so today what I have got, Mark from Calenso actually kindly sent me 3 whites to actually test out. Today I am going to be using the Epic Amazing Bright White. The problem I'm having with my whites at the moment, it's a really nice smooth white, but it's just not dropping off my blade. And rather than reducing my ink and reducing the opacity of my white, I still want that really bright white without having to reduce it so it falls off the blade. So I'm going to be trying this Amazing Bright White by Wolflex today. Bing! Thanks for sending it, Mark. Let's give it a go. For 1 hit of white, or 2 strokes, but only 1 hit of white, that is actually a pretty bright white. And it feels pretty smooth too. Check it out. One hit of white, that has come out really solid. Really happy with how that looks so far. Let's get the rest of these screens aligned, or hope they're aligned and I don't have to do anything to them to get this job going. get that dialed in. Cool, we're in. Alright, just gonna warm up the pellets so they can get nice and warm, not hot but warm, so we just get the smoothest print that we possibly can. Turn on the oven. Then we're printing these t-shirts. We're going to start off with the t-shirts first and then print the hoodies because we have to raise the contact off a little bit more for the hoodies so we get the smooth prints followed onto the hoodies. Another thing about when we print the hoodies is that I have chosen about a 55 screen for the white underbase so that we can get a smooth, really smooth ink on top of that thick fabric. We want to try to create the smoothest surface that we can on the hoodie. So using a wider mesh to allow a lot more ink to go through, just almost like clogs up those pores of the fabric and gives us a smoother surface to actually print on. That's how it makes sense to me anyway. Let's get those t-shirts on the board. Stop printing. Engaged. Backs have all been printed. It's got a line up the front, which is exactly the same colors for the front as it is for the backs. So just got to quickly align those. I say quickly. That's a joke. Because they're flickering. It's all about the flickering. No more flickering. So align the fronts, get them printed. I don't think I'm going to have time to do the positives today. I think I'm going to dedicate a whole episode to that so I can explain it in more depth, which would be a good thing to do. So let me quickly get these screens realigned for the front, get this job out the way at least. What an interrupted day. Forget how long it takes to film these things. Cool. That's it, last t-shirt through the dryer. Now it's time to clean these screens in the most moody sequence I can try and make. Okay, so that's it for me. I'm going to be shutting down, getting out of here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, hit the bell so you know when the next episode is coming, and I shall catch you on the next one.